Hi everyone, my name is Hared. I'm gonna um, share my program I created here on Typescript. So I created this note-taking app. The idea of this application is to be able to add a note with a title and a body. Let's go ahead and do a test. One, just paste that, add a note. So every time I click at a node or I interact with this, you guys are gonna see there was an alert here, and it's gonna let us know if the node was added successfully, if the node was removed, or if there is a missing field, either the title or the node. So let's go ahead and do a test two, but this time we're not gonna add a body to the node. Again, the alert, please fill in both fields. Go ahead and add this. No, that is successfully. Perfect. We can add as many as we want. Um, I formatted this with a grid, so it keeps up to 3 nodes on a row. Yep, and then keep adding the nodes there at the bottom. Um, Something interesting. All of the nodes are being. I use the local storage. So if we refresh the page, it's gonna stay there. Um, go ahead and check that as well. So for example, go here to application. Here's local storage, and you can see there the values and the nodes. If I click view note, this is gonna display a model like this, where you can select the full node. If you delete the node, um, this is gonna also be deleted from the local storage as well. So you can see it was deleting like one by one. Um, and one more thing, um, like you will see when you delete the node that you're gonna have a alert here as well. Now deleted successfully. And again, because it's saved on the local storage, if I removed everything, it's going to be removed from there. Okay, so let's move on to the code. As I said at the beginning, this was developed on TypeScript. Here's my TypeScript file. Um, what I did was like create a form, added all the labels, inputs, titles, um, and make sure I validated all those inputs. Um, TypeScript is very similar to JavaScript, but I'm gonna say it's more strict. It always requires you to enter the variables and the type of variables. So it's more, I'm gonna say, specific and clear uh, to avoid any errors. I added each of the elements, title, text areas, the submit button. Um, you can see here the containers of the nodes. I added also some event listeners to those. I made sure I append everything to the containers and also to the body of the document. And here at the bottom, I have some functions to make sure like we were able to add the node to the container, activate the modal, to get the nodes, save the nodes, display them, remove them, and each of the behaviors this main class node has. Um, the easiest way I found to connect TypeScript to HTML was using this command tsc script and then tsc and then you add the path of your TypeScript file, and what it does is like basically it converts your TypeScript into a JavaScript file. you need to make sure every time you make any um, addition on TypeScript file on the TypeScript file, you need to run that code. Otherwise, the JavaScript file is not gonna be updated, and then it's not gonna work. And to make sure you connect it to HTML, please add the module as the type of the script, and then the path of the JavaScript file. For my stretch challenge, I decided to use Jest. I still need to work on that, but please make sure you install the Jest um, tools. Um, Make sure you also have a test.ts file on your script. Um, and this is basically running some tests. Um, so you need to make sure you have describe, a it, and an expected result like this. This test that I am working on, they are for the alert function. So to make sure like the alert are working properly, make sure you are importing and exporting the functions from the TypeScript file, and yeah, that should work. Um, I That's all for uh, today. Please, guys, I hope you guys visit this code and this program, and please enjoy it. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Thank you.